ha, ha. He. Jolly Jack does performance poetry. This ain't no parroting. I aren't no pirate. Dead seagulls the only bird round my neck. Dead sirens the only mate on my deck. Scream if you want to hear me chortle through this crude representation of a porthole. It only costs you 20p. It used to only be 1D. That's how long Jack Silver's been staffing this sideshow as a sailor, laughing in my famous case on Clarence Pier, where the people of Portsmouth thought me weird and projected all their hate and fear into my slot along with their money. Shake if you find my laughter funny. Where the people of Portsmouth thought me queer, so their dark miasmas hovered near, though the public passed with bravado or bemusement to the brightly lit arcade of amusement, before I'd finished guffawing like a wanker, tourist wrecked, no ship, all anchor, the monster from a local myth, a kind of male Pandora's box, but I'm locked inside and the bolt is on a timer. So heckle me with a shekel if you don't want to hear my silence. Appease me with your peso if you don't want this show to end. No, I'm winding you up. Mechanical me. My evil workings are all at sea. I'm something a Matlow should never be. Out of order. Shriek if you want to hear me swearing. 50D for the F word.